I'm going to show you how you can find and get your Collaborator code on your Shopify store. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer for Shopify that will get you any Shopify plan you want for just €1 per month for the next 3 months. So you can choose any plan. So in my case, I have chosen the most expensive one, which normally it will be almost €400 per month. But with this special offer, it's just €1. So I will leave the link with this offer on the description below so you can take that advantage and use Shopify for very cheap. So once you have your Shopify plan ready, you need to go to settings, then right here search for users and security. Now right here you should find your code. So as you can see right here, you can search this code to allow someone to send you a collaborator request for this store. Once they send this request, you can check it by clicking right here or going to users, and you should find the request right here. So basically here is the code. You can copy it or generate a new one, and you can also delete it if you want anyone to be able to send a collaborator request for your shop, so the code will not be required. So that's it. That's how you can find your collaborator code on Shopify. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.